How do clinical trials ethically use placebos? Have you ever wondered how clinical trials can use placebos while ensuring patient safety and ethical standards? Let's break it down in a simple way. Clinical trials are research studies that test new treatments to see if they are effective and safe. Placebos are substances that have no active medical effect, and they are often used in these trials as a comparison to new treatments. First, placebos are typically used only when there is no existing effective treatment for the condition being studied. This means that if there is no accepted therapy available outside the trial, using a placebo is considered acceptable. Patients are not being deprived of a treatment that is known to work. However, if there is a proven treatment available, placebos can still be used. This is only ethical if withholding the treatment for a short period does not put patients at serious risk. For example, if a treatment could lead to severe health issues or even death, then using a placebo would not be appropriate. Researchers must carefully evaluate the risks involved before including a placebo group in the trial. Informed consent is another essential aspect of using placebos ethically. Patients must be fully informed about the possibility of receiving a placebo during the trial. This is part of the informed consent process, where patients learn about the study's purpose, procedures, risks, and alternatives. It is vital that patients voluntarily agree to participate with a clear understanding of what the trial entails. Ethical review boards, often known as institutional review boards, oversee clinical trials to ensure that the use of placebos is justified. They assess the balance of risks and benefits to protect patient welfare. These boards also make sure that vulnerable patients who might be harmed by placebo use are excluded from such studies. Some trials may include a placebo washout period. During this time, all participants receive a placebo before starting the experimental treatment. This helps to clear any previous medications from their system and allows researchers to see who responds strongly to the placebo effect. Even in these cases, careful evaluation is necessary to ensure that patients are not harmed by stopping effective treatments temporarily. In summary, clinical trials ethically use placebos by limiting their use to situations where no proven effective treatment exists or where withholding treatment poses minimal risk. Patients are fully informed about the use of placebos and must give their voluntary consent. Independent ethical review protects patient welfare, and placebo use is avoided when it could cause serious harm. For patients considering clinical trials, understanding these protections can help you feel more secure knowing your safety and rights are prioritized when placebos are involved. Always ask trial staff about how placebo use might affect your care before agreeing to participate.